The TRX XMount Suspension-Training Bracket is a compact steel anchor that lets you create a stable suspension training station on almost any sturdy wall or ceiling stud at home or in a gym. Its thick, powder-coated metal plate and welded cross design feel extremely solid under load, giving you confidence during dynamic moves like rows, presses, and jump squats. The circular shape with the crossed anchor points makes it easy to clip in one or multiple suspension straps, so you can quickly switch between different exercises without fuss. Installation is straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic tools, since the bracket comes with heavy-duty mounting hardware sized for standard structural studs. The low-profile design and neutral gray finish help it blend into most rooms or garage gyms while still looking clean and professional rather than like a bulky piece of hardware. Because it works equally well indoors or outdoors and pairs with many suspension systems, the TRX XMount is a versatile choice for building full-body workouts for a wide range of fitness levels.